In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the Brackets live code editor. The live code editor in Brackets is an innovative feature which allows you to edit code in real time. Brackets will edit your code in a front-end project by using an invisible Node.js backend to detect what your code is doing. Let's create a simple example. Create a new file and we'll save this and we'll just call it rule.css, and we'll create a new rule and we'll just create a new class .wow, and we'll make the color red. Save that. Now we'll make a new file and we'll save that and we'll just call that rule.html, and we'll make a new paragraph and it will say hello. Now let's give the paragraph the class we made earlier, wow. Now let's use the live editor. Hover over the class wow and put your cursor on it. Then press Ctrl-E on a PC or Command-E on a Mac to open the live editor. Here it's found our .wow class and is showing it to us in a small modal editor. If I change the color to blue and I save it, I can close this. And now if I go back to Rule CSS, you can see it's been updated. That is a very cool and powerful feature. The Css Quick Editor is a powerful time saver that you can use to make your front-end development more easy. Let's try it again. We'll give this paragraph an ID, and we'll just make it the ID equals a maze. Now, if you press Ctrl-E, it will give you the option to create a new rule, since no rules exist for objects with the ID a maze. Click New Rule, and it will give you a list of the CSS files in your project to create the rule in. Select rule.css, and it's made a new rule that applies. We'll say font size equals 16 pixels. Now save this. Now if we go back to rule.css, we can see it's added our selector. We even get a CSS lint warning telling us not to use an ID selector. Thanks, CSS lint. All in all, the live code editor is a super cool tool that I'm sure you can find many uses for in all of your front-end projects.